little drink. Customer, about to drain the oil here and give it a small idle adjustment, and yeah, I'm gonna send it. She's draining. Gonna put a little squirt of 3-in-1 oil down the throttle cable. Just make sure she stays nice and lubed up for the guy. Never wanted to run dry, you know. That's not what we want here. There we go. All ready. Ready for action. A little in here. You know it's not going to do much. It'll at least get the end of that cable and maybe prevent some water from sucking back up in there, if anything, but definitely got a nice throttle back. There we go. So now I'm going to reinstall the drain plug here, which, if you're curious, I found out today on a K181 Kohler, it's located on the bottom. 1/2-inch open-ended box wrench will do the trick. And that's what we want to see. Right to the top of the fill line. Not over, not below. I like to see right to the very top. All ready for the customer tomorrow. If you like this video, if you like this machine, and you want to have a chance to possibly purchase one or maybe in the future win one, like, share, subscribe, and keep up to date on our builds here at JMD Small Engine. Thanks, guys.